On the behalf of Dr. Mazhar Ali, I would like to thank the Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe for this precious award. Dr. Mazhar Ali is a graduate of Rawalpindi Medical University and an APPNE member. He has worked as public health researcher, medical practitioner, policy implementer, and an educator. He has progressive experience for more than 20 years and has managed a wide range of portfolio at global levels. His providing leadership in clinical trials and in developing a critical mass of researchers and decision makers for policy and system research. Dr. Ali has received multiple academic degrees, including an MBBS, Masters in Business Administration, Postgraduate Diploma in Community Health and Nutrition, Masters in Public Health, and PhD from Japan. Before taking various senior leadership positions in public health, he worked as a physician in Pakistan. At present, he is employed by World Health Organization as an epidemiologist and is responsible for developing, implementing, and supervising clinical and implementation research at global levels. His past work in WHO included as research manager in Southeast Asia and West Pacific region. Some of his key contributions at global levels include development of a new PMTCT code 2 indicator for women living with HIV, generated evidence for contraceptive implants for extended use beyond USA FDA recommendations for universal health coverage, innovative demand-side financing mechanisms through vouchers in developing healthcare access, in reaching out to the undeserved and poor, development of an innovative, sustainable model of emergency health services for developing countries. It is being implemented in Bolivia, Southern Thailand, and Philippines by Ministry of Health Japan. For this work, he also received Scientist of the Year award in 2007 by Japan Association of International Health Japan. To promote and sustain research culture in Pakistan, he was instrumental in awarding 2 large long-term WHO research grants to Pakistani institutions, Aga Khan University, Karachi, and Health Services Academy, Islamabad. A key member of WHO Pandemic Response Team, he has demonstrated vision and leadership. This is illustrated well in his clinical work and his leadership to strengthen healthcare systems, to sustain services in regional countries in Latin America, Asia, and Africa during the Zika and COVID-19 pandemic. He is a frequent presenter at professional meetings and has authored over 150 high-quality scientific papers, books, or chapters in prestigious peer-reviewed publications, including in Lancet, British Medical Journal, and many other international journals. These have contributed to development of WHO guidelines and policy documents that continues to set standards and guidance in healthcare. From अपने मैं मज़हूम अली और दूसरे हर उस नौजवान को ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि अपने इकबाल के हर उस शाहीन के साथ है और सपोर्ट करती है जो कि सितारों पर कमर डालते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Okay.